Hi, selamat pagi guys. Good morning. Today I'm cooking with my lovely mother, my mom. I think it's a good idea to introduce you to my culture so you can learn some Indonesian homemade recipes. Today we're making Pepes Tahu or Pais Tahu in Sundanese, which basically means steamed tofu. Alright, we have some bawang putih, kemangi, basil leaves, cabai rawit, chili peppers, shallots, or small onions. You can also use onion if you want. And this is the tofu. I've smashed it before with a spoon and added cabai, the chili, and spring onions, bawang daun. We've already learned vegetable vocabulary before, right? So I hope you still remember. Okay, now I want to add some kemangi. This is a traditional Indonesian tool for blending spices. It's like chopper, but it's looked like a mortar from Permasi, maybe, made from a real stone. We call this cobek. Okay, now I'm going to mix these spices like this. So, yeah, hand exercise. When we use this, the aroma is so good, and you can make a small amount of spices without a chopper. You really need to know how to do this if you're marrying an Indonesian wife. Look, now the spices are blended perfectly. I'm trying. Okay, I'm smashing it like this right now. Smash, smash, smash. It's so tough, like, that's why I told you this is hand exercise. Like, you don't need to go to gym if you're marrying Indonesian woman, because we are exercising already by cooking something. Okay, and take a look. Okay, this is blend perfectly. Okay, amazing. Okay, kita punya serai, lemongrass, kita potong-potong, lalu masukkan, dan ulek kembali sampai halus. Like, you know, you cut it and then you try to put it in our spices and you smash it. Okay, it smells really good, really. And I'm trying to smash it again like this. Alright. And after we are done, don't forget, daun salam, like bay leaves, to make it smell nice. I think I need 3 bay leaves. Alright, let's put it here. And here is the legend, Masako. This is chicken broth powder. So basically, it's salt, MSG, everything is already here. Like, you can use this in any food to make it savory. Okay, here we go. We have sasa. In Indonesia, we call it micin, is MSG. We also have telur, eggs. Alright, kita panaskan minyaknya and put the oil here. Tunggu sampai hangat. Lalu masukkan semua bumbu. We put our spices over here. Dan oseng-oseng sampai harum. Okay, stir it well until it smells really, really good. Oseng, 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 oseng. Alright, this is what we call oseng, oseng. You basically blend it all. Alright. If you think like this smells good already and you can smell it with your nose, and then you can throw it to the trash. No, of course. If it smells good, then turn up the stove. I think we will add that to the truffle we prepared earlier. Alright, I think I need to add more bay leaves. I really want that smell really amazing, so I add more bay leaves. Okay, I add it here. Lalu aduk sampai tercampur. You mix it until it's blend perfectly. Add masako, our legend. Here we go. And then we also need to add sasa or micin, and also telur. 2 eggs. Okay, aduk, 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 aduk. You stir it. Aduk, aduk, aduk. But make sure like the tofu texture is not that smashed. I'm gonna add like a bit more texture of the tofu here, so I can really eat that, and I can really feel the tofu. It's not look like a porridge after you steam it. Okay, we have daun pisang. It's banana leaves. I'm going to wrap the tofu inside because the smell from the banana leaves makes the tofu taste amazing. Okay, here's my mom. trying to help me. Okay, we stir it. And here we go. My mom trying to put it inside the banana leaves. And you know what? I tried to burn the banana leaves. So you try to put banana leaves on the stove, which is like to the fire. So the banana leaves will and are easy to shape and not hard, you know. Try to do this. Okay, here's the shape. It's just like this. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, now we're gonna try again. Well, I can't help her because I'm recording. Okay, kita lipat. Okay, this is how you fold it. Look at my mom. She's so professional. Dang. And here the result. Ooh la la. Okay. Okay, one more time. I'm gonna try to repeat again, okay? Okay, goes to the side, right side. Okay, you go to this side, the left side. You put that together in the middle and fold it. Then you need like a stapler or you fold all of them. Then after we're done, we will steam them in boiling water. Steam for about 45 minutes until it's cooked. And ta-da! Pepes Tahu ala Silvia. It's steamed tofu made by Silvia. You can eat this with warm rice and don't eat the banana leaves. Don't eat that. Just open them and eat the tofu, alright? In case you thought it was edible. But hey, if you want to eat it, go ahead if you like that. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Yuk coba di rumah. Let's try at home. Again, I'm gonna try to remind you again, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and please comment down below, what do you think about this? Do you like to try it at home? If you're a vegetarian, you can also try it at home. This is the best menu so far. But maybe like you don't need to add eggs, and that's fine. Still tastes really amazing. And thank you for watching. See you later. Dadah!